Managing Director ke Central Point Group Shillong uba lasing Ming Sawen ula Pynpaw Hakmat badon lang tilang ba dukari Narendra Modi hal senja amblasim ban Kyntiew yak Phutbol hakan dikijela daga bapenmi yak Shillong Lajong bayo adu banyak kon hak League House nem aja kendai habakran hak Rising North East Summit balong mutaka sengi ka apply ti Jemang aja apsan hanong ba dal hiu ba ming la ong ba ke Central Point kai khun ban Kyntiew kam jingok kai ka jela hak bakawan ra iginong tem na kaperthai hak sin ke benengkong house nem aja san Shillong hakan di Rising North East Summit la yasimentaru kim tilang ba kijela ka North East kentuk Konrad Sangma ki hak spa hak kaperthai kentuk Mukesh Ambani berkumju kutam adani nolgui pat ba ming ong ba Central Point Group justice ka phai khmat baru hak kam jingok kai hak ba kasora ka pung umyam kanong ba Shillong kidi kitem ba pauna man kringi kan wan kai nol ka asam bat kiwi pat kijela North East.
Our most respected and beloved Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji, Union Minister Shri Jyoti Aditya Scindia ji, respected Governor of Manipur, all the Chief Ministers on the dais, ladies and gentlemen. As a second generation entrepreneur, I joined my father, Mr. Prabhat Sawen, an architect and our group's founder 25 years ago. From building city landmarks and an award-winning rural luxury resort inspired by local architecture, to infrastructural development for various state governments, and to promoting the concept of tourism through community engagement, pioneering the region's first international concerts way back in 2005, to promoting Northeast India's first football club to play in the Premier League of India, the I-League then. Our journey over the last 2.5 decades has been a long, difficult, and arduous one. However, over the past decade, under the leadership of our Honorable Prime Minister, Shri Narendra Modi ji, the Northeast has seen unprecedented development and investment in infrastructure. During this period, the global economic axis of the world has also shifted from the west to the east, where India, China, and the ASEAN now form the economic growth centers of the world for the next 20 years and beyond. As a result, Northeast India, or Bharat's Ishana, as I would like to also refer to it as, now sits at the center of this economic dial or growth map. A game changer in this regard is the close proximity of the under-upgradation Guwahati International Airport to all major Indian and ASEAN cities. For instance, Guwahati's distance from Bangkok Airport and Delhi Airport is exactly the same, an approximate 2 hours 15 minutes. And our distance from Guwahati to Mumbai, Bangalore, and to Guangzhou, Kuala Lumpur, and Hanoi is estimated to be more or less the same, an average of 3 hours. Northeast India offers immense opportunities in the fields of trade, tourism, and organic agriculture. These are areas where the Northeast holds a unique advantage due to its geostrategic location, natural beauty, eclectic and rich culture, and unique biodiversity. We in the Centrepoint Group have recently partnered with the Assam Tourism to open a boutique heritage resort in Kaziranga. And amongst its clusters is going to be one of Assam's oldest tourism lodges. We are also currently building a luxury resort in a village near Cherrapunji where cultivation has always been 100% organic. With the launch of these properties, we will be the first hotel and resort chain to be present in what I believe will be India's new golden circuit of tourism. A truly world-class circuit that consists of Guwahati, the city of Eastern Lights, Ma Kamakhya, and the mighty Brahmaputra. Kaziranga, the land of the one-horned rhino. Umiam Lake, widely regarded as the most picturesque lake in India and perhaps Asia as well. Cherrapunji, the birthplace of the Meghaline age, the land of waterfalls, oranges and honey. And of course, Shillong, the magical and ever vibrant hill city, a jewel city of the East. We plan, encouraged by all these developments, to build 5 more properties, boutique and luxury category, in each of these locations of the Golden Circuit. Land for the projects has already been acquired. Northeast India is rising. And as Bharat's Ishana rises to its potential, India will rise even faster and further. I take this moment in inviting you to this exciting phase of Northeast India's growth story. Thank you very much. Salute to India. Vande Bharat. Jai Hind.